Hello, my name is Ritik Gupta, and this is my presentation for my PASS source code. So first I'll start with the demonstration and okay, let's go to that. So this is my code right here and I'll run it. So as you see, it gives us 7 options to register, add, view both, unmask, copy, delete, and exit. So if I try to do anything else without registering first, it won't let me do that. So let me click on 2, for example. So it says you must be registered and logged in to use this feature. So let me start by doing that. So let me input the email address. After that, it says to enter your master password. So if I enter a weak password, it's gonna say warning, your password is weak. Would you want a strong password? And if I say no, and it's gonna give me another option. Do you want to use this password? I'll say no again. And then it says to enter another password. If I said yes, it will have logged me in. So let me use the same password again. So now let me say yes for would you want a strong password? If I do that, it gives me a suggested strong password. I'll just say no for that. And I'll put another password that's actually strong and it says your password is good. So then takes me to the security question number 1, and I can just put anything. What is your name? And I'll just put Ritik. And then second security is what is your dog's name? I'll just put LeBron. And then I'll just put anything else. What is your mom's name? I'll just put my mom's name here. And it registered my account. Right now it will let me add anything, view, and whatever else. So let me start by showing you whatever's in the vault. As you can see, there's nothing there right now. So let me start by adding something. So the type is, let's put credit, and the field name, let's put credit as credit card. And then the value we'll put is 44332211 or whatever you want to put. And then another field we can enter is CVV, and I can put 034, and then I'll just put finish. Now if I view the vault, it says vault is all this, and the data in the vault is masked by default. I can choose to unmask it by inputting the index of the item, which is 0 right here. So if I input 0, it lets me unmask it temporarily, and then it will mask again. So let me add another one to show if it can add multiple ones. So right now, if I want to add user, and then username with the G, and now if I put finish, and if I try to view vault, it says all this. And then if I try to unmask it, 1, and it actually does unmask it, if that makes sense. So right now I'll try to copy something. So let me press on 5 and enter the index of the item. So if I want to copy the CVV number, I'll press 0 and I'll just put CVV, and it says it has copied. Now let me just put Control V, and you see it, the copied item shows up here. So let me try to delete something right now. So suppose I want to uh, delete the first index. Then it says it was deleted. So now let's view it. You see there's only one item on the vault right now. So if I also stay on there for some time, it will log me out because of for inactivity as well. The code is made based on that. So let me exit right now. It's done. So let me go back to the presentation. Excuse me, sorry about that. So as you can see in the demonstration, we provided a password management system where the user can actually store their information. Also, users can register with a valid email and password. And also warning for weak password is available over there as well. The features list the user, add, view, unmask, copy, and delete information. Also, the vault locks it by itself after 5 minutes of inactivity. And then the design pattern, the ways, let me actually go to the slideshow way. For the design pattern, singleton pattern is used, and the class that is used in is session management. And the purpose is to allow one instance of the user to be active. Also, observer pattern is used, and the classes that is used in is observable, observer, and email notifier. Basically, the purpose of this is to notify the user whenever a weak password is inputted or a strong password is inputted. And mediator pattern is used to match the interactions between the UI. And builder pattern is used to create password for the user, and it's used in the class password builder. Proxy pattern is used for the masking, where it automatically masks the sensitive information that users can actually unmask. Chain of responsibility is used in different classes such as handler, security question handler, and password recovery. The purpose for that is to provide security questions for better security. Is the first three questions we saw after we tried to log in. And the task that was completed was some of the security measures include email validation, the password complexity check, and use of security questions in case the user forgets their password. And also for the vault management, as we talked about it, add was the customer can add, view, unmask, or remove data. I mean the user. The For the security, it actually locks the customer after a certain period of inactivity. The code is written based on that. And also for the masking, for the masking is actually masked by default, and the user has the ability to unmask it. Also, the clipboard is also cleaned when dealing with sensitive information after it has been copied. It cleans after 60 seconds. Also, application of 6 design patterns for developing secure and modular and efficient applications. The delete feature also enables the deletion of items in the vaults in a secure manner. I already talked about that before. So that's it. Thank you so much.